That's breathing inch. Making a beautiful job of that sheep. You'd actually think that sheep was shorn by the machine. Down and out the back leg goes breathing out, and the finishing touches goes in, the blades back in the holder. Put your hands together for the blade shearing finalist. Well done. Won't be any quarter taken or given on this one. It's Kerry, it's Cavan, and it's Donegal. 1, 2 and 3. Up the neck hops Dennis O'Sullivan. Up the neck goes Robert Kells and Johnny Patterson, and away to go, but there's still 9 sheep each to go. More to go after this one, so time will be a factor, but you must have the quality to go along with it. These mule lambs here, shorn by, or supplied by Frank Higgins. A little bit of a wriggler there with Johnny down on stand number 3, but he settles her down and away he goes again now. He gets the turn down to the shoulder, down the last side he comes. Robert Kells, he gets the turn, but it's Dennis O'Sullivan, out that back leg he goes now. Sends that lamb out the porthole, and he's in and he's out with lamb number 2 on the board, John.
Yes, this is the Horner Shearing Senior All-Ireland Lamb Final. Who's it going to be? Stand 1 from Kerry, Dennis O'Sullivan. Stand 2, the Cavan boy, the Vaughan boy man, Robert Kells. And stand 3, all the way from Donegal town, is little Johnny Patterson. So there's going to be nothing between these, but it looks like the Kerry boy has got the march in the beginning on him. But by the time comes 5, 6, 7, 8, there'll be nothing between these lads. Up the neck comes Robert Kells, up the neck comes Johnny Patterson. Long blow time, but Dennis has a bit of a wriggler. He's turning, heading for home. Second side of lamb number 2. This is a 10 sheep final. What will it take? About 6, 7 minutes? You'll never know, but down they come there, Johnny Patterson on the down 3. He's 1 blow behind Robert Kells, but in goes Dennis O'Sullivan.